Have you ever found yourself staring at a fridge full of ingredients, unsure how to make a healthy meal out of what you have? You're not alone. Many of us struggle with the idea of eating healthier simply because it seems too complicated or time-consuming. But what if I told you there are simple, easy cooking hacks that can help you create delicious and nutritious meals with minimal effort? Let me take you through some of these clever tricks that will transform the way you cook, making healthy eating not only possible but enjoyable. Let's start with smart substitutions. One of the easiest ways to make your meals healthier is by swapping out ingredients without compromising on flavor. A great place to start is by replacing sour cream or mayonnaise with Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only rich in protein, but also lower in calories, making it a healthier alternative to traditional creamy condiments. It's packed with beneficial probiotics that promote gut health, making it a smart choice for your digestive system. The next time you're making a creamy dressing, dip, or even a casserole, try using Greek yogurt instead. It will give you the same creamy texture, but with added health benefits and a lighter feel to your meal. Another simple yet effective swap is to replace butter with olive oil. Olive oil is an excellent source of heart-healthy fats and antioxidants. Unlike butter, which is high in saturated fats and can contribute to raising cholesterol levels, olive oil contains monounsaturated fats that help reduce bad cholesterol. Olive oil is versatile and can be used for sautéing vegetables, drizzling over roasted veggies, or even spreading on your morning toast. Not only does it enhance the flavor of your dishes, but it also provides essential nutrients that promote overall heart health. By making these small changes, you can transform your meals into healthier, more nutritious options without sacrificing taste. Now let's explore how to meal prep like a pro for healthier meals. The idea of meal prepping is often misunderstood. It's not about spending hours in the kitchen. In fact, meal prepping can be as simple as chopping a few vegetables or cooking grains in bulk. Here's a great example. When you're making a batch of rice or quinoa for dinner, make extra. You can use it the next day in a salad, a stir-fry, or even as a base for a grain bowl. Having healthy grains and vegetables ready to go can save you a ton of time and keep you from reaching for unhealthy options when you're hungry. Pre-chopping vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, and cucumbers at the start of the week can help you add them to any meal with little effort. They'll be perfect for snacking or adding to a salad, smoothie, or even your favorite sandwich. When you have healthy options readily available, you'll be less likely to grab something quick and unhealthy. Next, let's talk about the magic of one-pan meals for simplicity and nutrition. Let's be honest, who has the time for washing a mountain of dishes after every meal? That's why one-pan meals are such a game-changer. Not only are they quick to prepare, but they're also super convenient. You can toss together lean proteins like chicken or fish, along with some veggies, and roast them in the oven in one go. This method locks in all the flavors while saving you time on cleanup. A great one-pan hack is to use sheet pan dinners. You can combine chicken breasts, sweet potatoes, and green beans on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle your favorite herbs and spices, and roast everything at once. You'll have a wholesome meal with minimal effort and zero fuss. Next, here's how you can spice up your meals for added flavor without the extra fat. Cooking healthier doesn't mean your meals have to be bland. Adding spices and herbs is a wonderful way to bring out the natural flavors of food without needing extra fats or sugars. Instead of relying on fatty sauces or dressings, experiment with spices like turmeric, paprika, cumin, garlic powder, and fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, and rosemary. Not only do they taste great, but many of these spices also come with health benefits. For example, turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, and cumin aids in digestion. If you're craving something a little sweeter, cinnamon is a fantastic option to add to your meals or snacks. It can be sprinkled on oatmeal, added to a smoothie, or even used to season roasted vegetables. The best part? It's a natural way to satisfy your sweet tooth without added sugar. And now, how about adding lean proteins to your meals for a healthier, balanced plate? It's essential for building and repairing muscles, and it can also help keep you full for longer periods, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. But not all proteins are created equal. If you're looking to make healthier meals, choose lean proteins like chicken breast, turkey, fish, or plant-based options such as tofu and beans. When cooking, consider grilling, baking, or sautéing with olive oil instead of frying your proteins. These methods keep the meal lower in fat and calories while still locking in flavor. Additionally, cooking protein with a variety of vegetables not only enhances the taste, but also adds extra fiber and nutrients, which can keep you feeling satisfied. Next is to include more vegetables in your meals. You've probably heard this one before, but it's worth repeating. Add more vegetables to every meal. Vegetables are low in calories but high in nutrients and fiber, which are key to keeping your body healthy. Plus, they add vibrant colors and natural sweetness to your dishes, making them more appetizing. Start by hiding veggies in places you wouldn't expect. For example, you can sneak finely grated zucchini or carrots into meatballs or pasta sauce. Adding spinach or kale to smoothies is another great way to get your daily dose of greens. You can also throw veggies like bell peppers, onions, or tomatoes into scrambled eggs or an omelet. Want to boost your meal's nutritional value? Go for whole grains. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are much healthier than their refined counterparts. Whole grains are packed with fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Instead of white rice or white bread, try switching to whole grains. For breakfast, opt for a bowl of oatmeal topped with fruits and nuts. At dinner, swap out white rice for quinoa or brown rice to add more nutrients to your meal. In fact, quinoa is an excellent whole grain to incorporate into your meals. It's not only rich in fiber, but also in plant-based protein. You can use quinoa as a base for salads, in soups, or as a side dish. It's versatile, filling, and nutrient-dense, which is perfect for any healthy meal. And remember, stay hydrated in a more enjoyable way. Drinking enough water is an essential part of staying healthy, but it can get a little boring at times. Instead of just sipping plain water, infuse your water with fruits or herbs. Try adding slices of lemon, lime, or cucumber to your water for a refreshing twist. You can even add fresh mint or basil for an aromatic experience. Infused water helps you stay hydrated while giving your body the extra nutrients found in the fruits and herbs. Additionally, herbal teas are a fantastic way to hydrate while offering health benefits. Green tea, for example, is packed with antioxidants and can help support fat loss. Try brewing a cup of green tea in the morning or even serve it chilled over ice for a refreshing afternoon drink. Finally, make meal planning even easier by cooking in batches and freezing. One of the simplest ways to save time and stay on track with healthy eating is to cook in batches. Whether you're making soups, stews, or even casseroles, cooking large quantities of food allows you to have healthy meals ready to go for the entire week. You can portion out your meals and store them in the freezer for later use. By doing this, you won't have to worry about preparing food every single day, and you'll always have a healthy meal at hand when you need it. Plus, you can control the ingredients you use, ensuring that your meals are both nutritious and delicious. Eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated or take up a lot of time. With just a few simple adjustments in the kitchen, you can create meals that are both nutritious and delicious. By making easy ingredient swaps, prepping ahead, and adding more veggies and whole grains, you can enjoy flavorful dishes that nourish your body. The best part is that these changes don't require a complete overhaul of your cooking routine. So the next time you're in the kitchen, keep these tips in mind and start making healthier choices. With a bit of planning and creativity, you'll be on your way to enjoying meals that leave you feeling good without the stress. Healthy eating can be simple, enjoyable, and fit seamlessly into your lifestyle.